Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I have this old entrance table or side table. Yes guys, and I'm gonna spray it and I'm gonna bling it out. All right, it comes with two pieces of mirror, so I'm gonna remove this and wash them off, and I'm gonna wipe it down guys because it has a lot of dust on it, and then I'm gonna spray it. All right, so you want to come under here and then you want to lift these out. All right, and I'm going to put them down somewhere safe. Make sure you put them somewhere safe so they don't break. All right, and that's it. Now I have my little cloth and I'm just going to give it a good wipe. You can wash it down if you want to guys. All right, I'm going to wipe this down and then I'm going to come back. Okay, and I'm going to use this spray paint first. I pay $4.99 for it at a dollar plus store. Then I'm gonna go over it with this kind of clear. Gonna add a little bit of sheen to it, and then after some part I'm gonna go over with my Mod Podge with some glitter. All right, just to hold it in place, and then I'm gonna bling it out somewhat after. Okay guys, so we're gonna use this one first, and it's over here guys. I wipe it down and it's dry somewhat. All right, and now I'm gonna shake and I'm gonna spray away. I'm gonna spray the entire thing like that. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna go over it. Okay guys, this is how it's looking after I spray it and then I let it dry and then I spray it again. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more spray and just touch up it, and then I'm gonna add my Mod Podge and my glitter on some part of it. So that's the one can finish, and I'm gonna start this one. I'm gonna use just a little bit from this. I'm gonna bling out right here, okay, with the Mod Podge. I'm gonna put it right here guys, and then I'm gonna bling out up there. I'll show you after the sun is hot now. So just right here. On this piece of mirror, that's the mirror from the middle, I flip it over on the other side and I clean it. And what I start to do, I start to glue these on. I glue all of my gems in, and these I got them from a dollar store, $2 per pack, and they look like this. And I just use my E6000 because I want it clear, so you need a clear glue. All right, I didn't use the hot glue because it tends to leave somewhat white residue, but you want to use a Gorilla or E6000 clear glue, and this is it guys. So I'm gonna do the next one like this. So I'm gonna leave it upside down for it to dry, and then when it's dry I'm gonna flip it over so you can put stuff on the top. I have this mesh here, rhinestone mesh, you know, my favorite, and I got it from the dollar store. I'm gonna bling out all of right here, and I'm gonna bling out all of the squares. Okay, I add it onto all of the edge. Just like that, guys. And this one is dry, guys, so what I did, basically I just lift it up and flip it over, and that's it. All right, guys, before I clean it up, there's one final thing. In the middle right here, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. Then I'm gonna add one of this. It's so beautiful. My side table, my entrance table, my console, anyhow you want to call it, guys. Wow, it's super pretty. Yes, I'm gonna go close so I can show you the details on it, guys. Look at that. Look up top, guys. Wow, look at that. And I add some candles, some roses, and that's the bottom. And I add some more stuff to the bottom, candles. Look at the stones on it, guys. So pretty. There you have it, guys. Super pretty. All right, guys, this is the final result. I'm super excited. Oh, and I add a little bit of detail there, guys. This is the final result. Love upon me and I love upon you. It's super blingy, super pretty. Ooh, I'm so in love with it. Sunny, you like it? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. Bye. Have a good day.